Yo, this video is for everybody that has a dream, that wants to make money online, that wants to earn passive income, that wants to quit their 9 to 5, fire their boss, and have a real life of freedom. Today in 2020, today is the day that you're going to make a decision to set yourself free, that you're going to bet on yourself, that you're going to believe in yourself, that you're going to get started, you guys, because I'm going to show you exactly where to get started. It's 100% legitimate. This is exactly where I got started a little over a year ago today. And I wanted to make this video too because I want you to understand something, that once I made a decision in my life and I had something legitimate, something that showed me step by step exactly what I needed to be doing, a whole team of experts that were guiding me and showing me the recipe to success, because that's the number one fastest way to succeed, right? It's to get our mind right. It's to get the right information in front of us and to have somebody that's going to literally show you exactly what you need to be doing. And then after that, all you have to do is stay consistent. And that's what's going to happen right here on this channel today. I want to just really quickly say thank you to everybody that's been supporting this channel over the past year. You guys, it's been an incredible ride thus far. Everyone that's liking these videos, everyone that drops comments, shares these videos, you guys, and everyone that obviously is subscribed to this channel right here. I really do appreciate all of you, all the feedback, all the interaction. It really warms my heart to know that I'm having an effect on individuals' lives and that I'm helping them make money online and take the steps that are required so that literally they can have a life of freedom. That's what this channel is all about, you guys. I really do care about your success and I want to see you succeed. You guys understand that it took me 15 years of fumbling around, failing, wasting so much time, wasting so much money to find what I'm preaching on this channel every single day, you guys, because ultimately what I needed to do, I came to a point in my life where I was fed up with just not succeeding, always giving up. And to be completely honest, I've been very blessed. I've never, been on, lost my house or lost my job or, wasn't able to put food on the table. I've always been very blessed, but I wasn't completely happy inside because I think ultimately I knew that it was possible for me to have a complete life of freedom, financial freedom, you guys. And I knew that I was holding myself back and that there was something more valuable inside of me than to just go to an employer every single day and not live up to my potential. What bothered me the most, honestly, is while I'm at my employer, it was always such a negative environment, people constantly tearing each other down. And I just felt like I'm trading my time and money. I have, some small children, and I really wanted to be able to spend time with them and, taking them and dropping them off at daycare every day. I wanted to be the person that was spending time with my family. I wanted to be the one that was dropping them off at school. And I want to be the person that takes them, to school every day and is able to be their coach. And I want to spend more time with my spouse. I really wanted to be able to retire my spouse so that she could be at home as well. And literally that we could just have a life of financial freedom, true peace, where we could go and do whatever we want and work from anywhere in the world. And I knew it was possible for me. I knew that I just needed to find a vehicle that was capable of doing that. And I had dabbled around in affiliate marketing, 15 years ago when I was back in my teens. I bought a book about it and I was doing some paid ads and spent a lot of money and wasted some time, but I learned some stuff. I learned, right? Failure is part of the process, you guys. You need to understand that you need to fail forward, you need to fail fast, and you need to just keep going. Now, back then, the problem was I gave up. It was so easy for me to just give up on my dreams because I still lived at home with my parents. I didn't have really any responsibilities. Nothing bad was going to happen to me. I knew that I could just keep, moving along. And as long as I just kept dabbling around in things, I could, constantly feed my mind that, that I was actually doing something. But I came to a place in my life a year ago where I was just completely fed up, you guys. I really was at a place that I wanted real happiness in my life every single day, peace, and I wanted to build my dreams. And I think that every single one of you know that you're special, that you're unique, and that you can have a life of freedom too. And that's what I'm trying to tell you today, that if you're ready to absolutely explode in 2020, you just can't continue doing the same thing every single day that's just not making you happy, then this is it right here on this channel, you guys. I've laid out the recipe. You've heard me talk about it before. If you're brand new, you guys, what you need literally is a step-by-step process. That's exactly what I was searching for, when I was wanting to make money online. I just wanted somebody to tell me the truth, tell me the exact recipe. And I wanted to have someone that was like a coach, an expert, a mentor, right? And that's what I found. I found a mentor that literally was based on integrity, honesty, and just really wanted to help people succeed. Now, the next challenge that I had after I got all the information that I needed and I had the person that was telling me exactly what I needed to do is I needed to get out of my own way. I needed to stretch myself. I needed to get uncomfortable and I needed to break through. Understand one thing too. I want you to understand this. It's very important. This channel is not about easy money, right? We talk about a lot of different applications and stuff like that. And those are a great way to earn some extra cash, but those things will never set you free. They're just a great way to put some extra food on the table, maybe some clothes on your back, buy some gifts, whatever it is, right? Those techniques will not set you free. But what will set you free is my number one recommendation. I've left a link directly beneath this video. You can click on it. This is exactly where I got started a little over a year ago today. The exact same place, you guys. It's where it leads to after you make it through my funnel, which you will set up yourself, that someone actually taught me step by step exactly how to get set up. Now, I want to share something with you guys that got me extremely excited yesterday, because it was confirmation for me that if you're ready, if you're at a place in your life that you want, passive income and really want to make money online, that this works 100%. This works. If you're ready to take a little risk, if you're ready to believe in yourself and you're ready to get started today and you're just fed up just like I was and you're ready to get started, I want you to understand I was sitting on my couch literally in this room that I'm filming this in right now. And, I've made money along the way, you guys. I want you to understand I've made money, but it hasn't been a super significant amount of money. It takes time. I want you to understand that if you get started doing this, it's going to take work, right? Everything that is going to create a substantial amount of of value in your life, it's dressed in work pants, you guys. You're gonna have to work. But the sad thing is that people go to work every single day for somebody else. They work so hard building other people's dreams instead of building their own, right? So you're gonna have to work hard. That's okay, but you're working for yourself. There's nothing more gratifying that every time I put out one of these videos, and I spend a lot of time and a lot of effort on it, but I get a lot of self-gratification knowing that I'm putting value into the world, teaching you guys exactly how to make money and saving so many people so much time and so much effort and money by just showing them the exact path that they need to take to make money. Now, what I was trying to say here, though, I got on a little tangent there, is that I made $1,000 the other day in passive income, you guys. Literally, get home from work and sitting on the couch over here, I opened up my phone and checked through my email and looking at one of the commissions that I made, and $1,000 in commission, you guys. I had my first $1,000 day just yesterday, and it was so exciting and so gratifying to know that I finally proved it to myself that if you're willing to bust down the barriers in your life that have kept you trapped, if you're ready to open your mind and get yourself around the right people that can tell you the right things, you can keep that positive mindset and you can just keep going and you have the right recipe, that it's absolutely possible for anybody to have anything that they want in life. Really, honestly, your dreams are achievable, you guys, and it's happening for me, and I want it to happen for you too. So I don't want to keep going on this rant, and I'm not telling you I made $1,000 to brag. I'm telling you this because I want you to understand that you can do this too, you guys. I honestly believe that if I can do this, that you can too. What I'm ultimately trying to do is unlock what's going on inside of you and help you believe in yourself. Because once you find that belief and you're just willing not to quit and to just keep moving forward and to literally just have the attitude that you're not going to quit, that you're going to succeed, that is where success happens. That is where people literally become anything that they want to be in life. I want to show you a quote right now. This is on my Instagram over here. We're going to move over to my Instagram. I want to show you a quote because I look at this stuff every single day. And this is what I do as part of my morning routine. I only follow people that have positive business mindset type quotes. And it's just very powerful. It helps me get my mindset for the day. But check out this quote right over here. There is a powerful driving force inside every human being that once unleashed can make any vision, dream, or desire a reality. And that's Tony Robbins' quote right there. A lot of people know who Tony Robbins is, but literally, and this is on Business Mindset 101. This is their post giving credit to them. But You guys, literally, there is a powerful force and drive inside of all of us. And once it's unleashed, you literally can make any vision come true. All you have to do is unlock it. And I want to get you started on that path today, you guys. If you're serious, check out the link. Again, you guys, it's in the top of the description. It's my #1 recommendation. I also have it over here on the top of my channel. Let's move back over there. It's at the top of this channel right here, right over there where it says make money online. If I could point at it, sorry. Make money online, right there where that red arrow is. Click on that. It'll take you to the same exact location, you guys. And that's where you can get started. Literally, your dreams can start today. There's nothing more gratifying than taking a hold of your dreams. The first thing that you want to do when you get there, too, is make sure that you reach out to your coach. Set that call, because you're going to have someone that's going to walk you through a 15-day challenge, and they're going to help you build your business literally in 15 days. And you will have your very own online business where you can build your dreams in your future and have a life of passive income. And I can't preach it enough. I know I just keep repeating myself here, but I just want it for everybody else, because I know that it's possible for me, and I know that it's possible for you. So get started today. Stop wasting time. The #1 reason that people don't find success too is that they hear the right information, they hear it, but they don't take any action. You have to take action, you guys. Take action. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Don't say, oh, that sounds like a great idea. No, do it right now. Don't wait. That's my best advice I can give you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. I always appreciate you guys watching this video and supporting me. Again, you guys, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not, hit that bell notification. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up. If you found any valuable content in this video, drop me a comment, and don't forget to share these videos with somebody else that needs to hear this information. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.